Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bhagam Gurudevāchalam Bhungam Langayate Hiramit Kripatam Vande Shri Guru Nataranam. Paramananda Madhava Sri Chaitanyeshwaram. I have a question. If you want to take prasad, I'm okay. You can take a break.
No.
लग रहा है कि सुबह से क्लास ही चल रहा है आपका.
No, सुबह से नहीं प्रसाद तो अभी सब हो रहा है.
नहीं, मेरे साथ, so my Hindi is not good, but you want me to speak in Hindi?
मिक्स प्रभु जी, आप बोलिए, मिक्स में बोलिए, हिंदी इंग्लिश में आप जितना बोल सके तो हिंदी में बोलिए. कई लोग हमारे जो हमारे एल्डर्स हैं ना, तो दे वुड बी बेटर ऑफ हिंदी, बट आप हिंदी जरूर बोलिए. और प्रभु जी यंगर जनरेशन भी हैं, तो दे वुड लाइक टू हियर यू आल्सो, सो आई मीन आप दोनों बोलिए, आप दोनों मिक्स बोलिए.
So what time we should end?
Your convenience. Yeah, Prabhu. We have enough time, Prabhuji. Hopefully.
So Tato Ravana Nitaya Sitayat Satrakarshana Yeshta Padmanveshtam Charana Charitepadi. So this is from Sundarakanda. Very interesting actually. So Hanumanji wanted to find Mother Sita. So that person who is very powerful, so in search of Sita, what anyone cannot do, he is trying to do. He is taking a leap in the air. He leapt up in the air, trying to jump over this 100 yojanas, 800 mile long jump. 100 Lanka is 800 mile distance from the southern tip of India. So today we will discuss this. What made while Hanumanji has to do this, what are the qualities Hanumanji exhibited? And if we exhibit, we'll also come out of this Dehatma Abhimanam. It is the false ego that will tie the body with the soul. And we'll be absorbed in the bodily consciousness because of the ego. And we identify ourselves with the body. And anything goes wrong with the body, we lament. So Sita one day told Lord Ram, my Lord, the deer is more dear to me than you, dear Ram. Means, जो हिरण दिख रहे हैं ना, मेरे को बहुत पसंद, दो देख के पसंद आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. तो हमारा वनवास खत्म होने वाले हैं, 1 साल में खत्म हो रहा है, तो मैं इसको लेके जाऊंगा, पेटिंग करूंगा. I'll pet this deer in Ayodhya. So it's a golden deer. And then Ram told Lakshman, you stay here, I'll go and get the deer. Lakshman said, brother, you are the creator. In your creation, did you ever create any golden deer? This is Marich, So Ram said, all these days I am dear to Sita. She never asked anything in 13 years. But suddenly she found something more dear to her than me. Means Tattva and Leela. She will lose me. And you are Guru Tattva, she will lose you. That is Tattva, but Leela to happen, I have to go and get it. And you should stay and protect her. So So then then Ram went to, I'm actually no, I want to speak a little more, so I'm cutting it short because everyone knows the story. So Ram went to get the deer, and my first point is this. Marriage took Ram very far, and suddenly he would appear, disappear. At one point, Ram was tired. He understood this is not deer, this is Rakshasa Maya. And suddenly he spotted the deer and he shot an arrow. He shot an arrow, and that arrow pierced the body of Marich. Now this is the Marich was on the verge of death. My first point is this. When Ravan told Marich to help him abduct Sita, Marich said, "You're talking about Ram? Couple of years ago, when I went with Subahu to destroy the yajna of Dashara, Vishwamitra, he killed Subahu. For some reason, he spared me. He used Vaivastra that threw me 100 yojanas. I never forgot that shot. So I'm telling you, please don't meddle with Ram. He is powerful. Ravan said, if you don't help me, I'll kill you today. You decide whether you want to be killed in the hands of Ram or you want to be killed in my hands. Imagine when somebody tells you like that, do you want to help him? Definitely not. On the top of it, he knew, Marich knew, Rama is Supreme Lord, Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Ravan is a lusty demon. So Acharyas explain, even at the verge of death, if he helps Ram, he'll be glorified and he'll go back to Godhead. Anyway, because he is being killed by Ram, he will merge in Brahman anyway. But if he helps him, he'll attain, Samipya, Sarupya, Salokya, Sarshti, some muktihood. But because of the conditioning, instead of helping Ram, he helped Ravana. So we hear when somebody like घर में किसी का देहांत होता है, हम कभी-कभी हमको प्रॉब्लम्स आता है जीवन में और इतना साधना करते हैं, इतना सुनते हैं, हमको लगता है yeah, I have to become serious. नहीं, yes, एकदम सीरियस बनना है. संडे फीस में हम जाते हैं, लेक्चर सुनते हैं, तभी हमको लगता है कि दिस इज रियलिटी, हम शरीर नहीं आत्मा है, एकदम सीरियस बनना है. फिर मंडे ट्यूसडे चालू होता है, तभी क्या ना धीरे धीरे भूल जाते हैं. वो कंडीशनिंग, जो भी हमारा पुराना कंडीशनिंग वहां पर आ जाता है. So likewise, Marich knew what he should do, but because of the conditioning of so many years, instead of helping Ram, he helped Ravan. It is not easy to come out of the conditioning. How many of you agree with this first point? Thank you. So what he did, Sita, Lakshmana. Now is the second point. Sita said, Lakshman, your brother is on the verge, he is in danger. Aapka bhai ka jaan khatre mein hai. Lakshman said, there is nobody in this world who can do anything to my brother. Sita said, Sita is actually internal energy. Antaranga Shakti. Like Radharani to Krishna. When Krishna becomes Ram, Radha becomes Sita. But Sita performs the role of a conditioned soul in Aranyakanda. What she said? I know. This is your plan with Bharat. Anything happens to your brother, you want to enjoy me? You have this nature. Lakshman said, he didn't say Krishna, Krishna, but he said, Ram, please. I never saw your face. I always would touch your feet. Actually, if we value Ramayana, as long as people value Ramayana, there will be culture in the society. The moment people don't respect Ramayana, there won't be any culture. um, Matra, Swasra, Duhitrava, Navi Viktasano Bhavet, Balva Indriya Gramo, Vidvamsopi Karshati. This verse was told by Yayati. After, when the daughter is grown up, a father should not sit with the daughter or sister on the same seat. The senses are so wild. Even if somebody is a Pandit, Vidwan, so even somebody is very advanced in advanced in knowledge, senses will cheat him. Senses are wild. So he should not share a seat with the mother and sister after certain age. But today in the metal world, in the name of social and science, they all sit together. Can you imagine Lakshman? Lakshman never saw Sita's face. He just saw only her feet and toe rings. And Sita is leveling allegation. Sita is leveling allegation on Lakshman. So Lakshman was pained. No, please don't say like that. No, I regarded you as my mother. Lakshman did not eat for 13 years. Didn't sleep for 13 years. Bhavajnana, Dharmajnana, Kritajnana to Lakshmana. So when he had to make a hermitage, Lakshman knew the heart of Ram. So he told brother, don't worry, I'll make the, like, you want to build a home. Your architect will come tell you, sir, don't worry, give me 1 month time. I know what you need. Come after 1 month, I'll show you the room. After 1 month, you go there and you say, this is exactly what I want. How do you know my heart, my dear architect? So Lakshman knows the heart of the Ram, Bhavagyana. But sometimes we have a desire to serve Krishna, but we don't have abilities. Shrutakirti Prabhu was cooking for Prabhupada. But Shrutakirti Prabhu was thinking Prabhupada was very happy. One day, they all went to Vrindavan. Mother Yamuna came to Vrindavan and Prabhupada, she was cooking for Prabhupada. That day Prabhupada said, Shrutakirti, come here. Come and eat prasad. Shrutakirti Prabhu ate. First time he understood. Prabhupada was actually doing austerity, eating his food. And prasad means Yamuna Mataji's prasad. So likewise, we may have desire, but we don't know how to do it sometimes. How to serve Krishna. They would disagree for sure. Certain things we want to do, but we cannot do. But Lakshman is not like that. Krita means knowing. Jna means aware. He knows how to act to please Ram, not just desire. So what he did, he made a bedroom. Sages will come and see my brother. So bedroom is not enough. He cannot bring the sages to bedroom. So he made a drawing room. So when you are, like, for example, in the temple you are doing service. Sunday feast, you are the main serving a servant in charge. 400 people are there. Prasad is only for 200 people. What you will do? What we will do? We'll make our own plate first. We take care of ourselves, right? We take care of our family. Come. Jaldi aa jao. प्रसाद खत्म होने वाला है. 400 लोग इधर हैं, 200 लोग का प्रसाद ही इधर बचे हैं. ठीक है, प्रसाद लो. But Lakshman didn't do that. Dharma miyena. So he made a bedroom, he made a drawing room, and he thought, Dharma, he knows Dharma. Between wife and husband, why should I be there? That is not my place. Ram said, wait, Lakshman, this hermitage is great. Drawing room is there, bedroom is there. What about your room? Lakshman said, he showed the tree. Between you and your wife, why should I be there, brother? I sleep under the tree. 13 years Lakshman didn't eat. 13 years Lakshman didn't sleep. No, Sita is telling, you want to enjoy? What a pain Lakshman would have gone through. Right? Then what happened? She said, if you don't go right now, still Lakshman didn't leave because he knew. Sita said, if you don't leave right now, I'll commit suicide. I'll end my life. If you want me to be alive, you should leave right now. Then Lakshman. Pain is not. There is no Lakshman Rekha in Valmiki Ramayana, but Lakshman got up and, all right, I pray that I come and touch your feet again. But don't leave this place. This is all infested with Rakshasa Maya. तो मैं तो जा रहा हूँ, अब और बाहर आइए मत, तो करके बोल रहे। तो लक्ष्मण तो निकल गए। एंड राम सेड, आई टोल्ड यू नॉट टू कम बैक, व्हाई डिड यू कम हियर? एनीथिंग हैपेंस टू सीता, आई विल होल्ड यू रिस्पांसिबल। Sita doubted the chastity of Lakshman. Ram doubted the competency of Lakshman. So supposing it's you or me, what you will say? Enough is enough, huh? बहुत हो गया। अरे 13 साल में आपको इतना सेवा किया, मेरा बीबी उधर रो रही है घर में, मैं आपको सेवा कर रहा हूँ, खाना नहीं, सोया नहीं, खाया नहीं, सोया नहीं, आपका बीबी ऐसे इल्जाम इल्जाम वो लगा रही है, आप ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, आज ही मैं जाने वाला छोड़ के। ऐसा बोले नहीं। Serving Krishna is not easy. So we go to temple, we want to serve Krishna in our way. Everyone wants to temple, they want to serve Krishna in their way. But it's not easy. You will be purified. That is my second point. Do you agree? If you are ready for purification, come and serve. If you are not ready, stay away. कृष्ण सेवा इतना आसान नहीं है। आप भगवान के नजदीक जाएंगे, भगवान बोलते हैं आप प्यूरिफिकेशन के लिए तैयार है क्या? आर यू रेडी फॉर प्यूरिफिकेशन? माय लॉर्ड, मेरा ईगो बहुत ज्यादा है। फिर भगवान बोलते हैं दूर से कीर्तन करके चले जाओ प्रसाद लेके, अंदर आओ मत। बट कृष्ण says, if you are not purified next lifetime also, this purification we have to go through. If not next lifetime, this lifetime. Are you ready to sacrifice your ego? That we have to. I mean, जब लोग सुनते हैं बोलना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन अप्लाई करना मेरे लिए भी बहुत मुश्किल है। So Sita found something better than Ram. This is not Sita's story. This is all our story. We were all in the spiritual world. हम थे वैकुंठ कृष्ण लोक में, गोलोक में कृष्ण के साथ. We were all with Krishna in Golok. And one day we found our own deer. And we told Krishna, Krishna, I want that. Krishna said, all right. Ichcha dvesha samutena dvanda mohena bharata sarabhutani sammoham sargayanti parantapa. Ichcha, we developed a desire. Enjoy independent of Krishna. When that is not possible, dvesha, envy. We are in the middle world, we have a flag of envy. We are in the middle world, we have a flag of envy. Dvanda mohena. We fell into the duality of this world. Ravan, 10-headed monster. So we are pure spirit soul. We don't know what is matter. So we're pushed into this body of 206 bones, blood, flesh, and marrow. And this mind, why Sita signifies the conditioned soul? 10-headed monster Ravana represents the 10 senses and the 11th sense mind. That is Ravana, 10-headed Ravana. And Sita is stuck. And Sita cannot on her own bring herself out. वो खुद आ नहीं सकते, गुरु चाहिए फिर. So Sita lost that Guru Lakshman ji in Aranyakanda. So भगवान क्या करते हैं? So ऐसा बद्धजीव को देख के उनका दिल में वो Krishna, that Hanuman appears in Sundarakanda. So Hanuman ji, I have a question for all of you. One day before coming to Krishna consciousness, how many of us know in 24 hours we'll come to Krishna consciousness and it'll change our life? हमारा पूरा जीवन ही बदलेगा, पूरा बदल जाएगा पूरा. We don't know. So that is a proof. The mercy flowed in our life. We didn't want it. Maybe we wanted it, but not that much that we are practicing today. That is my third point. Do you agree? So the mercy flowed. What is your qualification? I broke all the regulative principles. Hare Krishna. No qualification. What is our qualification? Zero. Causeless compassion of the Guru, Srila Prabhupada. So, the Hanumanji, what are the qualities Hanumanji exhibited? You know, Hanumanji exhibited, I'll go a little faster because it's very interesting. First thing, you know, it's a very difficult task of jumping 100 miles. It's a very difficult task of 100 miles. So 100 mile means 800 mile, 100 yojanas, 800 mile long ocean he jumped. The first quality exhibited dhriti. Dhriti means vyavasayatmik buddhi. जिनको कृष्ण का चरण कमल का दर्शन करने की इच्छा है, उनको ये क्वालिटी जरूर चाहिए. कौन सा? व्यवसायत्मक बुद्धि. मतलब डिटर्मिनेशन चाहिए. डिटर्मिनेशन चाहिए. जो कुछ भी होने दो, मैं भक्ति छोड़ के जाऊंगा नहीं. ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम काफी इंस्पिरेशन मिला, आज 50 राउंड, कल पूरा वायरस या किसी का प्रॉब्लम, किसी का देहांत हो गया, किसी का प्रॉब्लम, 2 ही माला किया. दैट इज कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं इसमें. सो जो डिटर्मिनेशन, धृति मतलब व्यवसायत्मक का मतलब बुद्धि मतलब क्या है? आपको एक सीईओ पोजीशन मिलेगा, आप 16 माला करेंगे. किसी का घर में देहांत हो जाएगा, मैं 16 माला करूंगा. 16 क्या 32 करूंगा. किसी का प्रॉब्लम किसी ने देह छोड़ दिया आज, मतलब कल मेरे को, मैं भी छोड़ने वाला हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं इधर इंटरनली रहूंगा नहीं बॉडी में. सो पहला चीज है कि फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, सुबह उठ के 16 वाला फिनिश करना है ना. मैं एक्चुअली क्या ना, किधर मार्च में ही गया, मैं ट्रैवल किया. मैं सबको बोला था मैं कभी भी आता हूँ 32 माला करना है सब लोग, एटलीस्ट व्हेन आई एम देयर. क्यों? अरे कौन आएगा, क्या आएगा साथ में, और 2 घंटा और 1.5 घंटा. एक डॉक्टर है, वो 64 माला करते हैं, 64. वाह प्रभु, यू आर अ डॉक्टर, यू आर मैरिड, हाउ यू डू इट? दैट्स इट. सो पीपल आर वेरी इंस्पायर्ड. सो 50 की उम्र, 50 और 2 मनुव्रजेत, आपको उम्र 50 हो गया, you have to go to forest. If you are above 50, you should go to forest. But today there is no forest. Sthane sthita shrutigata tanvan manobir. So first understand, my any time I may leave the body. For that I need to be fixed up and focused in bhakti. So you're a doctor, continue the duty of it as a doctor. Continue taking care of family, and continue taking care of the responsibilities, the family members, but become little serious. Become little serious, little more serious. Then the next question. So Hanumanji was determined. Sagaro Langana Samarolasam. Sagaro Langana, jumping the 100-mile yojana is not easy. Prabhupada was inspired by this verse. When Prabhupada read Baldev Vidyabhushan commentary, when he read this verse, Vyavasaya Atmika Buddhi Ekeha Kurandana, Baushaka Anantascha Buddhiya Vyavasayanam. The person, whoever is on this path, are resolute in purpose, Arjuna. Those who are not in path of Krishna consciousness, they are not resolute. Their determination is multi-branch. Karenge. So what a determination Prabhupada exhibited. Hare Krishna. Hanumanji exhibited. So he crossed this, he jumped this 800 mile long jump. Hare Krishna. So the quality exhibited is dhriti. Dhriti means determination, vyavasayatmika buddhi. Second quality is drishti. As he was flying, the first obstacle is Mainak. Mainak rose in the sky and said, wait, stop. Hanumanji thought, this is an obstacle. So then Mainak said, hey, I am not an obstacle. I am your father's friend, Vayu's friend. Because of him, I am alive with the wings. So I want to reciprocate. He's doing good on his side, Mainak. But Hanumanji, what he did, oh, this is a good place, Hey Ram हमेशा बोलते हैं बहुत, करना है, वो ऐसा बोलते रहते हैं, मैं अपना तरीके से करते रहूंगा. ए प्रीचर है ना, हमेशा सीरियस बनो बोलते हैं, उनका धर्म है. लेकिन जो मेरे को अच्छा लगता है वो करना मेरा धर्म है, वो गलत. So when you are in the path of Krishna consciousness, sometimes सत्कार एंड अवमान, कभी कभी हमको तारीफ मिलता है, ग्लोरिफिकेशन मिलता है, कभी कभी गाली मिलता है. ये दोनों को हम एक ही तरीके से लेना है. We have to take this humiliation and glorification in the same way. So Hanumanji was not affected by the glorification of Mainak. Hanumanji was not affected by the facility offered by Mainak, and he left. So we need to have that. Raman explains equanimity. Equanimity means neutral. जब लोग आके तारीफ करते हैं, उनको तारीफ करना काफी आसान है. जब लोग आके गाली देते हैं, उनको तारीफ करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So Prabhupada was a businessman, Prag pharmacy owner, good friends with OBL Kapoor. He was also professor. He was also businessman. Say we make friends with the same level. So Prabhupada was a rich man. OBL Kapoor was a rich man. But suddenly, Swamiji, he took Vanaprasth. His business was going up and down. Eventually, he took Vanaprasth. He didn't have 25 pies. Wow. To take a rickshaw from Delhi railway station to Manoharlal Jain printing press, Swamiji didn't have 25 pies. Manoharlal Jain would say, Swamiji, did you take breakfast? It's all right. Reality, स्वामी जी के पास 25 पैसे भी नहीं है ब्रेकफास्ट लेने के लिए, लेकिन वो मांग नहीं सकते, because he also led a royal life. So Manoharlal Jain would call his wife and say, give Swamiji breakfast. Then Prabhupada came to America. 40 रुपए इधर उधर, लोग इधर 10 इकट्ठा हो गए, 40 डाल 40 रुपए हो गए. प्रभुपाद जी अमेरिका पहुंचे थे. कोई इधर गार्लैंड JFK में कोई थे नहीं, गार्लैंड पकड़ के प्रभुपाद गार्लैंड करने वाले कोई थे नहीं इधर. Everything was stolen. David was on drugs. David was about to kill Prabhupada. He walked out. So इतना आसान नहीं था उनको. लेकिन प्रभुपाद छोड़े नहीं. फिर अचानक next 10,000 years Swamiji is founder Acharya for International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Krishna Balram Temple opening 1975. OBL Kapoor, okay, they met each other. Suddenly, he heard Abhay Babu left everything, and Abhay Babu was financially very crippled. Abhay Babu, but he was trying to do something, but it was not succeeding anyway. He failed in Jhansi, failed everywhere. But OBL Kapoor steadily, reader became a professor, professor became chair. But suddenly, Abhay Babu is not Abhay Babu anymore. Founder for International Society for Krishna Consciousness. आप उनसे मिलना है. You need a interview. इंदिरा गांधी भी इनसे, इंदिरा भी, सब लोग इनसे मिलना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आपको इंटरव्यू चाहिए. So OBL Kapoor was thinking, will he recognize me now after 30 years? They both became old. Will he recognize me? So now Prabhupada had a clout. There are so many American disciples surrounding Prabhupada, and no one can penetrate that, that ring. But Prabhupada was actually taking a tour of Krishna Balram temple, and in one corner he saw Nityananda Prabhu, OBL Kapoor. Prabhupada ran to him. And he went to him and said, "You remember me, Abhay Babu?" Krishna. So Prabhupada is asking him, "You remember me, Abhay Babu?" So Obiel Kapoor says, "This is the man." He is not identifying with all this fanfare, the entourage. This is the man. So he was like, 30, 40 years ago, the same pharmacy owner. Later he took, what is that, Vanaprasth. Nothing changed. So Hanuman exhibited the quality of equanimity. The third one, Surasa. Surasa, Hanuman, she was expanding the mouth. Surasa came and told Hanumanji, "I have a blessing." Devatas wanted to test Hanuman. Oh, he's doing very well. But does he have intelligence? So Suras came and Hanumanji was going fast and Suras stopped. I think Suras maybe devotee started telling Mahaprasadi Govindji. Hanumanji said, hold on. I am no longer prasad for you. What do you want? I have a benediction from Brahma. Anybody who comes in front of me, I lead them up. So by my good fortune, you came, you are such a big body. I'm so hungry, I want to eat you up. Hanumanji said, I'm fine, but I'm on a mission in search of Sita. Once I find her, I'll go back to Ram and convey the message, and then I'll become your food. माता सीता का ढूंढ के वापस राम को बोलूंगे वो इन्फॉर्मेशन श्री राम जी को देके मैं आपका आहार बनूंगा. अभी नहीं. She said, right now you have to become. He said, sorry. He expanded his body 10 yojanas. Surasa expanded the mouth 10. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 100. So, the quality exhibited, Hanumanji, the Mati. Mati means, I mean, different acharyas express in different way, but as long as Mati means knowledge, as long as Krishna is not there in the center of our activity, our activity will become fruitive. We are creating next life. I'm talking to myself. And we are getting next body of the next life. Unless our activity becomes purely dedicated to Krishna, that activity becomes fruitive and it will cause our next body. We prepare our next body. So Hanumanji, he exhibited this quality. What he did, Surasa, she is expanding, he is immediately reduced into thumb-sized, entered into the mouth of Surasa, and he had a roller coaster ride and came out. Please, I became your food, allow me to go. So he was very happy, she was very happy, and she let him go. So the another point is, Acharyas explained, we should not compare. आपने 3 bedroom बनाया, मैं 4 bedroom बनाऊंगा. Especially brothers and sisters, this comparison comes. We compare. And I always tell, if you want to be happy, don't compare. Okay, Krishna has given them. There is always a saying, when somebody is, actually there is a person, he's a very famous German entrepreneur. He's practically like 6'10" height. I mean, wherever you go, you'll see him. Because he's 6'10", nobody would be 6'10". One day he wrote a letter, very nice letter. He was in San Francisco airport. He's a big man actually. So time came up for him to board the airplane. He got up. So something in his mind, he's probably the tallest person in his life, in the world. Then there was one Afro-American next to him. He got up. He was taller than him. And he felt a little bit bad. And the person next to him, he said, there is always somebody higher than you. There is always somebody lower than you. There is always somebody equal to you. He told that and he left. So this person said, wow, what a lesson he conveyed to me. I never thought there is somebody old taller than me until I saw him. So we should not compare. This is what Krishna has given. Recently, I had one a statement of Radhana Swami. It was a 3-minute clip. The teacher asked everyone, what do you want to become? Everyone, all the children wrote, I want to become a doctor, engineer, professor. One boy said, I want to be happy. Teacher called him and said, you don't understand the assignment. The boy said, you don't understand life. Very important, interesting point. Anyway, my point is, you want to be happy, essentially. We may have everything in this world, but we may not be happy. Happiness is not synonymous with positions and possessions. Happiness is synonymous with happiness is a state of consciousness. If we have it, we have it. If we don't have it, we don't have it. As long as we are in the 3 modes of passion and ignorance, there is no happiness. So Hanumanji exhibited this quality. And the 4th one is, don't compare. Nishiddha karma tyagam. He killed the demon Sivika. So Nishiddha karma tyagam means what activities we should not do, we should not do. The temptations will come. But we should never, if it is adharma, we should never do it. Whether somebody is watching or not. I'm not talking about 4 regulative principles. Everyone in ISKCON follows devotees anyway. But to such an extent, when actually I want to tell a story. It happened to me life only just 4 months ago. So you are in Govardhan. We want to do Govardhan Parikrama. But before that, I want to offer, some, what is that? The Abhishek. So we purchased all the ingredients, water, honey, dahi, small quantities. But I wanted tulsi leaf. So I want to offer tulsi, put tulsi and offer this Abhishek. I told this Prabhu devotee, get me one tulsi leaf, I'll wait outside. And I told him I saw through, it's on the roadside, on the road, that home is there. And I could see tulsi in that home. I told him, get me tulsi. And we had a rickshaw. This Prabhu went inside. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So अंदर गया लेकिन तुलसी लेके नहीं आ रहा है. रिक्शा वाले बोल रहे क्या देर हो रहा है, मेरे को जाना है. मेरा गुस्सा बढ़ते जा रहा है एक्चुअली. अरे क्या तुलसी तो दिख रही है. तो ऐसा तुलसी लेने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है. तो 10 मिनट के बाद हुआ है, प्रभु जी है. मैं थोड़ा बोल, प्रभु जी क्या इतना देर क्यों हो गया. वो बोले वो घर वाले नहीं है, मैं तो ना कर रहा था, कोई आए नहीं. सो उनसे परमिशन लेके ही नील और पत्ता लेके आया. वाह, तोड़ के लेके आ सकते बिना परमिशन. इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग. इट्स जस्ट इनिशिएटेड. I guide him, but I learned one thing from him that day. Wow. Anyone will give. If I were him, I would go and pluck and come out. अरे क्या तुलसी में. लेकिन no. That person in his mind, I need permission from them. So we need to lead a life not according to the rules of the country, but according to the rules of Krishna. Automatically, when we follow the rules of Krishna, the rules of the country are naturally embedded in that. So, Samardhyam, Nigraha Shakti and Daksham. Simhika represents envy. So, to kill envy, one needs to be very capable. Second thing, one needs to have sense control. Hanumanji exhibited these qualities by killing Simhika. So, the 100 yojanas, that the distance is 100. 100 means 100. 1 represents Bhagavad Tattvam, Rama Tattva. 0 represents Jiva Tattva. Another 0 represents Prakriti Tattva. Both are temporary. The conditioned nature of jiva in the material world is temporary. That's why it is zero. The prakriti, which is binding the jiva in Maya, is also temporary. They have no, it's very temporary. But one, Krishna is eternal. Bhagavad Tattva is eternal. You know? So my point is, body is bhogastanam. Bhogastanam means object. Why we got this body? Because we want to enjoy independent of Krishna. And the means of enjoyment are the senses. The worst enemies to us is our senses only. Maharaj Parikshit, Sukadeva Goswami is telling him, wow, 7 दिन से आप खाए नहीं, सोए नहीं, पानी पिए नहीं. Oh, Arindama. Arindama means conqueror of inner enemies. जब लोग आगे हमको तारीफ करते हैं, खुश होते हैं हम उनको भी तारीफ करते हैं. लेकिन कभी कभी जो हम बोलते हैं, हमारा परिवार सुनते नहीं, तुरंत गुस्सा आता है. राइट? क्यों नहीं करते वैसा? आपको समझ में नहीं आता है. आपको भी समझ में नहीं आता है. ब्रह्मा इतना मेहनत करके ये 4 बच्चे को बनाए, सनक सनंदन सनातन संत कुमार. लेकिन जब ब्रह्मा जी उनको बोले थे शादी करो, वो मना किया. जब मना किया तुरंत ब्रह्मा क्रोधित हो गए, गुस्सा हो गए. तो मतलब क्या है ना, when things don't work the way we want, we become angry. So not like that. The real enemy is inside. Our senses, our mind are the true enemies. Maharaj Parikshit controlled them. And that's why he's peacefully listening Srimad Bhagavatam. That's why Sukadeva Goswami is calling him, Oh Arindhama, oh conqueror of inner enemies. Wow. So what is that? I'll take another 10 minutes. So Hanumanji went, he landed, he saw the fort. Durbhedya, impossible to penetrate. इतना जो भी बंदर है, कोई भी ए लंका ए फोर्ट को पेनिट्रेट कर नहीं सकते. But 4 people can do that. Only 4 in the entire the trillions of monkeys that we have. No one can. But 4 लोग के पास शक्ति है, इसके अंदर जाने का शक्ति ये 4 लोगों के पास है. कौन है वो? अंगदा. अंगदा मतलब first one is Angad, son of Vali. Second one is Neel, son of Agni. Third one, myself, Hanuman, son of Vayu. Fourth one, Sugriva. He has that ability. Sugriva can penetrate. He can go inside and come out safe without being killed. Wow. So, what can we learn from this? The jiva is in the, I told you, right, we expressed our envy towards Krishna. Now the 10 senses, 5 jnanendriyas, 5 karmendriyas, and the mind, 11, they kept us in this fort of body. And ego, dehatma abhimanam. Ego is the one that binds the body to the soul. Ego acts like Lankini. Lankini doesn't tell anybody. Likewise, hey, Bhagavad Gita program ho raha hai, aa jao. Hey, not interested. उधर lecture हो रहा है, lecture चल रहा है उनका. Not interested. तो movie देखना है, already. So that ego, the body absorption of bodily consciousness is so high. Prabhupada told devotees, Prabhupada wrote a mail to Mother Hladini, eat nice prasada. But after 10 years, Prabhupada wrote, have control also. Initially, Prabhupada encouraged everyone to have very nice prasada because the lust is there. But after some time, there also you cut it. You know, why? Are we eating because it is prasad? Or are we eating because it is laddu? If we are eating because of laddu, of course, it's prasad, no doubt. But our absorption is in the laddu. So we are going towards a dehatma abhimanam. We are bodily conscious. I mean, it definitely does help because it's prasad. But if we eat it as prasad, then 100%. So Lanka is a fort. This I, me, mine, I am this body, that consciousness is a fort. It's very difficult to penetrate. Can I take 5 more minutes and end? Should I continue? Angada. Hanumanji is telling Angad. Means God. Krishna, Ram. Gada means glorification. So Angada means Nam Sankirtan, glorification of Krishna. So this bodily consciousness is penetrated by the Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Kirtan. So that's why, even if you bring somebody into the Kirtan, wow, it touches your heart. This ego is penetrated and you feel good. So that ego layers are, the Kirtan, Nam Sankirtan can penetrate the layers of false ego and touches the soul. You're all here sitting. Ab sab log idhar baith ke sun rahe is a standing testimony. You enjoyed. Your soul enjoyed. आप बैठ के सुन रहे हैं, मतलब क्या है? आपको एक बार तो इतना थोड़ा तो कुछ वो आत्मा का सुख मिला. Your soul enjoyed. That's why you're sitting. Otherwise क्या सब लोग दारू पीते हैं, ये करते हैं, लेकिन हम इस्कान वाले सब कुछ छोड़ के लसन प्लास भी छोड़ के जीवन कैसे बिता रहे हैं? Soul enjoyed. That's why Nam Sankirtan can penetrate the fort of Lanka. Angad. The second one, Neel. Neel has the ability to go inside Lanka without being caught. He can find Sita and come back. Neel, because he is a son of Agni, Neel represents a Yajna. Yajna, Dana, Tapascheva, Pavanani, Manishinam. These 3 things, it can purify anybody. Whether a sannyasi, or a brahmachari, grahastha, vanaprastha. ये 3 चीज आप करेंगे, आपको प्यूरिफिकेशन मिलेगा. क्या? यज्ञ करना, दान देना, तपस्या करना. ये तीनों चीज कृष्ण बोलते हैं 18 अध्याय में, ये तीनों चीज हमको प्यूरिफिकेशन मिलेगा. हमारा दिल शुद्ध होगी. So yajna, वैसे ही Ramayana time is Treta Yuga, means Narayana Upanishad says yajna is the process. So yajna से हमारा आत्मा का टच होता है. And third one, Hanuman, Vayuputra, मंत्र जप करने से हमारा दिल साफ होता है और हमको वो जो भी अंदर है वो प्रेम है, कृष्ण प्रेम, वो बाहर निकलेगा. So especially हरे कृष्ण मतलब मंत्र है, मनस्त्रायतीत मंत्र. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. लाउडर, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. So मंत्र जप करने से, by chanting this mantra, it penetrates the inner layers layers of mind, intelligence, and ego, and it touches the soul. The last one, Sugriva. By this, actually, by the power of mantra jap, yajnanam jap yajñasmi. Just by chanting the mantra, we can attain self-realization. The last one is Sugriva. Griva means head. Sugriva, good-headed, means intelligence. So we purify our intelligence through Veda Dhyanam, reading Prabhupada books every day in our language. Or Sanskrit Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means reading scriptures. हर दिन प्रभुपाद की किताब पढ़ने से हमारा इंटेलिजेंस क्या इंटेलिजेंस है ना प्यूरिफिकेशन मिलेगा यू नो फिर क्या है ना वो जो भी लेयर्स हैं वो साफ होगा then we'll attain self realization. Anyway, so this attachment to the body, this affection to the body by these 3-4 processes: Nam Sankirtan, Yajna, Mantra Jap, and Swadhyaya, reading scriptures. Vedadhyanam. Hanuman is telling only they can penetrate Lanka, and without being caught, they can see Sita and come out. So, I want to continue, but I think Devakinandan Prabhu also wants to express some gratitude. So any question or comment, but before that, I want Devakinandan Prabhu to speak.
लंका की डेल किस किलोमीटर से 8 माइल पे घूम जाता
प्रभु जी एक क्वेश्चन है देवकीनंदन प्रभु जब तक आ रहे हैं ये आप बोल रहे हैं कि हनुमान जी 100 योजन तक जंप किया लेकिन अभी तो 30 किलोमीटर ही है अपना भारत से श्रीलंका वो कैसे समझाते हैं और दूसरा एक है कि जो आपने अभी 4 बताया वो फिर से रिपीट करने के लिए हमको मेहुल भाई बोल रहे हैं कि पहले अंगद जो है वो नाम संकीर्तन है दूसरा नील जो अग्नि पुत्र है तो यज्ञ हनुमान जी है वो मंत्र और चौथे क्योंकि वो वायु पुत्र है और चौथे सुग्रीव जी है वो इंटेलिजेंस
रीडिंग स्क्रिप्चर्स वेदाध्ययनम रीडिंग स्क्रिप्चर्स स्वाध्याय
got it thank you
and the first question Prabhuji, the answer is this: the earth goes through changes, they move what is that people say in India the Kandla was actually attached, the Lanka was actually one point they are also attached, then they were detached. So what happens, the movements they happen, so they come closer, sometimes they are separated and then they come close. This happens. Scientists they agree with this, scientists they say this. So it goes back and forth. The different land, portions of the land, sometimes they're separated and then they join and they go far also. So Lord Ramchandra time is Treta Yuga, so many thousands of years, at least more than million years. So in this process, it has come closer. This question was asked before also. That is the answer.
No, I think I have also read that it's the real Lanka is considered to be the Argentina, like that area, South America. Is actually, if you see in the globe, it attaches to the other part of the world. Like you can see, it has come out and gone far beyond. So current Lanka is not the real Lanka. That whole land mass has moved out of this area and gone quite far. Actually, that's what I mean. There are some theories like that. I have read on the internet also, like something like that. Like the Earth plates moves and all that. So thank you.
So I know, I don't know. Anyway, thank you.
Sorry, like this is can you hear me from
bro, louder.
louder? So I have to come a little closer from. I mean, I don't want to all Vaishnavas and you and I mean Prabhupada. But your lecture was, I mean, आपका lecture इतना clear था कि कोई question होना ही नहीं चाहिए. But unfortunately, I have few questions if you don't mind.
Please.
I will ask, right? So, like from your lecture, like I mean, I listen and I'm fully convinced. And but like one question came to my mind. You said we don't have to compare, right? So in a compare, you said we don't have to compare. So in like just thinking, like if I don't compare, like I don't analyze, how will I progress?
Okay, nice question, bro. Thank you. There is nothing wrong as long as you take inspiration from other person. And like for example, if you want to get a medical seat, you be with people who are very intelligent. Naturally get them because they're also studying 10 hours. Even if you don't want, even though you don't want, because they're studying, will study. So then if they get 50 rank, you'll get 100 rank at least. So association matters a lot. I'm not denying. Comparing also is very good as long as it doesn't trigger the negative qualities like envy. Until such time, subtle comparison, there is, I mean, otherwise what happens, sometimes people are lazy. When you see somebody working very hard, I should also be like that. And, you know, when you work hard, taking them as inspiration, comparison as an inspiration, very good. But that comparison is triggering envy, very bad. So I used comparison in a negative connotation. Does it answer your question?
Like when you see, like compare, like somebody is inferior to you or like fallen, you see like in your eyes like fallen, then that gives you lesson like I should be doing more. I can be in that position also.
No, in a sense, you know, this is the thing. And always somebody is better than us, Proji. Somebody is always somebody. You know, I'm talking. This is material. Spiritually, everyone is same, no doubt. So I'm talking about. What I'm trying to say is material comparison should not happen. Even if there is a material comparison, it should be. We should use it only to get inspiration, so that we can elevate ourselves. For example, you know, every day you are getting up at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, but you see somebody getting up at 5 o'clock and doing their rounds. You compare, अरे ये तो जल्दी उठ रहे हैं, so मेरे को भी ऐसे, मैं भी ऐसे उठूंगा तो मेरा भी माला हो जाएगा. So if you take inspiration and you get up instead of 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock or maybe 5, that's very good.
वो तो चलता रहेगा, फिर कोई तो सोएगा ही. मैं अभी माला.
So where you end, right? His next question is where you end.
So my point is, but instead, अरे क्यों इतना जल्दी उठ रहा है, क्या कुछ काम धंधा नहीं इसलिए इतना काम करते नहीं वो, तो भक्ति बोलते हैं, अरे आप जल्दी उठते इसलिए हमको उठना पड़ रहा है, क्यों आप सोते नहीं, थोड़ा सो जाओ ना. अरे भगवान को इतना जल्दी उठाएंगे तो क्या भगवान को भी नींद कम हो रहा है, तो अरे 6 बजे उठने के बावजूद उठाने के बावजूद भगवान को 7 बजे उठाएंगे तो क्या होता है. एटलीस्ट वीकेंड को भी भगवान को हम सोते नहीं हम भगवान को, लेट हिम स्लीप, लेट अस स्लीप, you enjoy together, we enjoy. That is wrong.
So,
right? So inspiration we should compare to take inspiration and go forward, but it should not trigger negative side. For example, childhood, you go to movie, you come back, you are in the college, in the hostel. 11 o'clock you go after enjoying the movie for few hours. You come back, you see your friend studying. Oh, pain. क्या सो नहीं रहे आप, सोएंगे नहीं तो तबीयत खराब होता है, सो जाओ. That is not the problem. He's studying and you just came and you came from enjoyment. So my point is, as long as we take inspiration in comparison, that comparison is good. But if it is triggering envy, that comparison is bad, right? Anything else? You know, you're my eternally worshipful master, and just seeing you is, I'm so glad, you know. Sadhvat Priya Prabhu is so wonderful. He's bringing the devotees together, you know. So I'm seeing you probably, you know, I don't know when is the last time I saw you, but because of this, you know, occasion. I was speaking last time, actually, you know, Vaishnavas, you know, who reason still Vaishnavas die, you know, they don't die, you know, they spread the holy name around, they are there, you know. Advait Priya Prabhu is like an amazingly exalted Vaishnava, you know, a Mahabhagavad devotee, you know. So, you know, just glorifying him, you know, we are actually creating our good fortune. That's it. Mahan Admi hai, you know.
Thank you for giving us your saintly association.
Vaishnava. My
Srila
obeisances. Dandavat Hare Krishna.
Prabhupada. Dandavat.
You want more question? You know, like Prabhu will see how Jugal Kishore Prabhu has take my question right now, or Prabhu we should talk afterwards.
I can't hear.
My questions, like you want to answer now, or like we will take some other time? Like,
No, fine. I'm fine.
so like we go on because we going on like some like I'm not taking somebody else's time, right? Like that.
Please, yeah.
So Prabhu, the lecture like the like we naturally we have a tendency, right, fault finding. We should not have, like from your lecture it's clear we should not have. So like that person that you said Leela, or you want to say the Ram, Lakshman and Sita, like what happened near thing, right? So like my mind, I don't know, like it was just Leela, we should not like think more. But वो उसमें किसका fault था? मेरे हिसाब से सीता जी का, like I mean I should not be, but उसमें किसका fault था?
So in Sita's abduction.
नहीं, जो सीता से abduction में जो हुआ लक्ष्मण जी के साथ, तो आपने जो बताया उसमें लक्ष्मण जी के साथ बहुत ही बुरा हुआ, right? Like he was mistrusted by the Mataji, Sita ji, and like he was chastised by the brother also. So apparently looking like Lakshman ji was like in position was very hard to deal with, right? And but still he somehow managed, and he did, like not like in the material world what we see, like so like whose position was higher like at that time, and who was in fault, real fault?
Prabhuji, this is Leela in Aranyakanda. Sita Mata plays the role of a conditioned soul. You know, she also has a plan. She has to connect. Vibhishan to Ram. You know, she has to just Mother Sita. Ramayana is actually Sita Charitra. You know, Sriya Sahita Ramasya Tasya Ram. You know, Tasya Ramasya Enam Ramayanam. Valmiki says. Valmiki is Ramayana means Sita's Charitra. Can you imagine how many people she brought together? She is the reason for Sugriva coming in contact with Ram. She is the reason for Hanumanji coming in contact with Ram. She is the reason Mandodari could see Ram. She is the reason Tara, wife of Vali, could see Ram. And she is the reason all the demons in Lanka were delivered. Hanumanji said, ये लोग आपको गाली देते हैं, मैंने देखा, मैं ऐसा मारूंगा उनको. She said no. Asita Kshana. Sita has that quality. You know, Tulyasila Vaya Vrittam, Tulyabjan Lakshanam, Raghava Rati Vaidehi, Tamche Masita Kshana. So, like for example, sometimes, you know, father and mother are their small children. People put the children in the spot. Hey, who is good? Your mother is good or father is good? Right? Always. So children are also very intelligent. When they are with father, they say father is good. When they are with mother, mother is good. Hanumanji was asked, who is better? Sita is better, Ram is better. Hanumanji thought and said, finally, into this verse, Tulya, they're equal. Age, character, behavior, and beauty. But one quality Sita is extra or wrong. So Hanuman edged Sita actually. Hanuman gave credit to Sita. Asitekshna. Sita's eyes never became red. Sita is always a that moon-like that like Nityananda Prabhu's lotus feet, Nitai Pada Kamala. Likewise, Sita's eyes are like refreshingly cool. She never became angry with Ravan also. I mean, she becomes one when angry. Ravan was, but she's telling, hey, I can burn you because my husband permission is not there. I'm not burning you. Otherwise, I have the ability to burn you. But Sita, she's telling, didn't anyone tell you? कोई आपको correct करती नहीं क्या? तो आपको बोल नहीं रहे, आपको कुछ आप सुनते नहीं. That is Sita. So unless she appears to be faulting Adroji, she is actually, how can Ram kill Sita? Ravan. There should be something, right? That's why, what is that? Skanda Puran, I forget. This Puran says, Sita goes into Agni and Maya Sita comes out. How can Ravan touch Sita? Sita is like, internal energy. So Maya Sita Vedavati, she says in the previous life, when Ravan tries to molest her, she says, I'll be the reason for your death. She comes, Vedavati comes as Maya Sita. So otherwise, a matter dead, like Ravana, body means dead matter, cannot touch the Supreme Spirit Sita. But this is a Leela. The Leela has to happen. Sita has to be taken by Ravana. Then, so how can as long as Lakshmana is there, Ravana cannot take. Then there will be a big battle there itself. So somehow Ravana Lakshmana has to be sent off. So Sita plays the role of a conditioned soul. But the Acharyas explain one more thing. Sita doubted Lakshman. There is one reason. When Bharat was coming, Lakshman told Ram, today, this is the last day of Bharat. He is trying to, he wants to make sure we cannot stay on the earth. So Lakshman doesn't know how Bharat doesn't know how powerful is Lakshman. His armies, they will never go back. Ram said, what are you talking? I know Bharat very well. Please don't talk like that. I know why he's coming. He's coming, just watch. And exactly that's what happened. Ram and Bharat, they met, Bharat cried, offered, So as a reaction to that, Acharyas explain, But Prabhu, this is the thing. Tattva and Leela. When Tattva has to come, when Leela has to come, only devotees we should hear from. Otherwise, if you mix both, then it's a problem. Then you'll start finding fault with Lakshman. Arey, Lakshman is Ananta Sesha. Nityananda Prabhu, Balramji. But Leela has to happen, But of course, here the aggrieved suffering part is actually, suffering in the sense, Lakshman was thoroughly tested with Sita. Unfortunately, she said that. I know, it is your plan. So Ramayana is actually, Ram is Maryada Purushottam. You don't see except for 3-4 areas, you don't see the divinity of Ram. Sumitra in Ayodhya, Tara in Kishkinda, and Mandodari in Lanka, they knew Ram as Vishnu. He revealed his divinity. And when Jatayu died, he performed the final rites of Jatayu and he sent Jatayu to Vaikuntha same day. So, and when they were, he stayed on the bank of ocean for 3 days, day and night. Ocean was not responding. Then third day night, he became angry. So Lord Ram never revealed his divinity, not like Krishna actually. So we have to be very careful when the Tattva we have to speak and when the Leela. Sometimes Tattva goes in the background. Ram doesn't know, say, Ram is going to come. But Leela has to happen, right? So we have to be very careful on that. And does it answer your question?
Very, very good. Yes,
Any other question?
It answered my question to which I didn't ask you.
And then I think the other question is like same part, like how Hanumanji, while jumping, able to do Leela, like that Menar Parvat and the things, right? Like the Sursa.
Yeah,
Like jumping, like when one night we had like materially we see like somebody's jumping, how they will go in somebody's mouth, like become big and like big. So
you have to, yeah. You have to
So,
engage
like,
all the
I-
energy in the jumping, right?
yeah. So then how that Leela happened, right? Like, I mean, it's a Leela. So, I mean, you can, like, Lord can do, now I understand, like, Lord can do from small seeds, he can make a big Vruksha. So this is also possible, right? But just like looking at modern science, are you able to hear me? Right, bro? I'm sorry. Like how is that possible? Somebody trying to jump with the full force will associate with the Sursa and Menak while going.
Prabhu, thank you for nice question. Prabhupada says there is a word Achintya Shakti. You're a doctor. We eat gulab jamun, rasagulla, somebody eats meat, irrespective of what type of items you eat. Whatever comes out has a hypo in it, sodium thiosulfate. So that is Achintya. Prabhupada says, I mean, now everything is cameras are computers. But earlier, the photographic film developing agent is a hypo, sodium thiosulfate. That comes out from every morning when everyone goes for stool. Everyone goes to pass stool. That is Achintya Shakti. No scientist can explain this. How and I have a question for all of you. Science cannot correlate each and everything and cannot give explanation, Prabhu. And simply they say, eventually Prabhupada calls it a post-dated check. So how can irrespective of what you eat, whatever comes out from your body has a hypo in it, Achintya Shakti, So you use the word, I use the word Achintya, inconceivable, but what will science say? I have a question for you. Actually, if you study your body, you'll appreciate the presence of God. You'll appreciate the presence of Krishna. I asked one doctor, Prabhuji, we people go today, 1970s and 60s, 70s, 80s, we would go to watch action, Amitabh Bachchan action and Dharmendra action. Today people go to watch effects, movie effects acha hai. Nobody goes for actions. But if you see, forget about, I'll explain, I'll take few minutes. Because we don't see the effects outside. Oh, there is one cloud right above your home right now. That cloud can flood the entire New York. But that cloud is floating in the sky, Prabhuji. And it has water. You cannot make a hole with the pen. Flights can go through that cloud. Unlimited number of flights can go through the cloud. No one can puncture the cloud. But when the cloud liquefies, it can flood the entire New Jersey, New York. Can't you call it Achintya Shakti? Kya dimag hai unka? You agree? It is nothing but the dust plus water vapor. It is nothing but the dust but water vapor. What is Krishna's intelligence? What an effect. If you go outside and see a cloud, you have to really hats off to Krishna. Kya technology is there? It's a water bag that can flood the entire New York, but you cannot make a hole. It stays on your head. Prabhu, if you turn the tap, one drop, it has to fall down. Everything has to fall down. A feather has to fall down. But this water bag that can flood the entire New Jersey, New York, it stays up.
Okay.
When it wants to flood, it will flood. But nobody can puncture it.
Yeah.
Very amazing, right? Now I'll tell you. Your leg, whether we sit like this, gravitational pull, everything has to fall, but blood flows upwards. I asked one doctor, what is the reason for blood flowing upwards? She's actually a pediatric cardiologist at Wayne State University. She's a professor also. She told me pressure. I asked her who creates the pressure. She said, I don't know. Prabhuji, where you like this, like this, like this, the blood flows upwards. You know, what answer will you give for that? If the blood, our brain blood stops for 1 minute, that is our last day, right? And fracture happens only to the legs. When I came to know, I was shocked. When they do the operation for the heart, I took Peter Burrows to heart surgery. Doctors told me, they cut the bones and they have a machine and they open it like this, and that's how they reach the heart. Then I said, fracture won't happen. They said, no fracture. These bones, when they're back, they're joined back, they will heal in 3 days. Wow, fracture happens only for your legs. There is no fracture for bones. What a Krishna's creation, huh? And now I'll tell you, beard is growing. Eyebrows are not growing. We don't shave eyebrows. You agree or not? What reason you will give as a doctor? Eyebrows are not, we are not shaving eyebrows, but we are shaving beard. क्या आंसर देंगे आप बोलिए? I have a question for you.
Students do that.
Prabhu, that's what.
I know I'm growing.
No, but that answer I couldn't give it before coming to Krishna, because medical science, as you know, very limited. Because we don't address the main thing. It's a soul. And then now they came to that. They came to see. If Brahmasita says Anda Antarastha Paramahansa Antarastha. So basically, we come to the know that there is a genome there which is imprinted. That means when you take a birth from your mother and father, those 2 cells decide your entire life. But they still don't. They know. Ultimately it's a 3 amino acid, and it's a triplet. It keeps repeating. See, there is a to make it simple, there are 2 kinds of amino acid, acidic and basic. But there's basic, essential amino acid which we cannot make it. It is essential. It is there in the plant. It's there. So those amino acids, they keep repeating. In the plant, they have the same thing too. So basically, it's a trinucleotide repeat that makes a whole body. But they still cannot explain why somebody is if somebody has a stage 4 cancer, he's happy and he doesn't he doesn't die in next 2 months. And somebody is healthy person commits suicide. So basically, it's a soul, which can explain everything, but they don't want to admit. Even they admit there is a because the talk came. That's why I'm telling in order to graduate, we have to present something new which study hasn't done. So in my pediatric dissertation in medicine, I was very naive here, so I don't remember what I did. But pediatric, I had my mentor, who was a really learned Russian doctor. He gave me the topic that preventable pediatric death, like how many deaths we could be prevented. So in my whole lifetime, 3 years of my pediatric residency, there is only 4 deaths happened. Out of them, 3 were congenital malformation. They couldn't save the child, So that was the one was a child with a congenital malformation. Actually, he expired when I was on call, but he had a heart surgery and everything. He had an accident and he died in accident. So I came to that no death would be prevented. We couldn't prevent any death, And then I quoted a Bhagavad Gita's verse that, if you don't believe me, I'll make Bhagwan. If you are non-believer, God personified is a God for you. So basically that one verse I learned from Harinamandana. So my mentor, because I speak right now fast, imagine 10 years ago when I was speaking very fast, very few people got what I was trying to convey. But he got up, he uploaded, not only he told that Dr. Raval, what you're telling is truth, and the research was done, but it is hidden in the Brooklyn. This is a Russian doctor. He read the Prabhupada Bhagavad Gita in Hebrew. I offered him and he said, so it is true, but they came to know that soul exists. The animals, they were dying. They put that animal in the, in the airtight chamber. Now they came to know that there is nothing airtight. So they come to the slide, the soka, the 10:4, right? Going the of the soul. So that comes out of the body. That's why you die, and that comes in your mother's womb. Whenever whatever Bhagavatam says, So any doctor who wants to be a good doctor, I would recommend them they should read scripture. Because that's the question.
Thank you.
So we'll end it. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
So much, Haribol.
Nanda Haribol. Thank you.